Welcome back everyone. Our today's session is 4.8 problem and incident management. So at the end of this session, we will have an understanding of what is problem management, process of incident handling, detection, documentation, control, and reporting of abnormal conditions, what's a support or a help desk, network management tools, and problem management reporting reviews. So what's problem management? So problem management basically aims to resolve issues through proper investigation and in-depth analysis of a major incident or several incidents which could be related and it could actually form out to be a major incident and where you could need to identify the root cause. So that is what a problem management is. So we are not talking about small, unrelated, unincidental issues. So we are either talking about a big issue or small issues, but then they are interrelated and they could lead to a bigger issue. So we are basically going to look for the root cause analysis. And there are various ways of doing a root cause analysis. CISA program exam may not actually specifically want you to have an in-depth understanding of all of those root cause analysis methodologies, but it's good enough to have a good enough knowledge of what are the various methods to do a root cause analysis. So how do you handle an incident? So you proper obviously you would require to have a proper steps, you would require to have a proper SOP, you would require to have a proper process, you would require to have it properly documented. How would you detect, document, control, resolve, and report abnormal conditions? So this would be in addition to the error logs. So error logs updates should actually go into authorized users. There should be proper mechanisms and there should be proper operational documents. And communications should happen between appropriate systems. What's a support or a help desk? So that's generally the first point of trigger or calls generally land there and these things are initiated, further actions are initiated, and it generally provides a service to the users. So what are the various network management tools? So you would possibly have a response time report. So that would actually tell, okay, this much time it has taken for a particular call to be responded to. Downtime report, so all systems, so that would give, okay, this much time this system has been down. So help desk records, so this could have the history of the various problems and their resolutions. So this could also be forming a part of the knowledge base. Online monitors, so it would see data transmission accuracy and the errors. Network monitors, so these are going to monitor the network nodes in real time and give you the statuses. Network analyzers, so there's a difference between a monitor and an analyzer. As the name suggests, monitors are going to give you the real time nodes and their statuses, and analyzers are actually going to analyze the various packets and their usages. Simple network management protocol or SNMP protocol. So this monitors and controls the variables throughout the network. So with this, we come to an end of our session of today. So thanks everyone, and if you have liked my course, do subscribe to it so that you would get a notification as soon as I upload something new. And we have this journey pretty smooth as we go ahead with our journey to get a certification in CISA. Thank you. Thanks everyone.